Hi, let's do some math together. Today we're doing work text page 125, and as you can see, it is focusing on the three divisions. So we're going to start counting by threes, and we're also going to talk about using a division frame. It kind of looks like a table there. If you haven't yet, and it would help you get warmed up, you can go ahead and stop the video and go on and watch our times fact videos that we do. Those links are also available on our page if you want to check those out. Some of the videos that we like to watch. And then fill in the three counting pattern at the top. Then go ahead and restart the video. Let's fill in the three counting pattern at the top. Many of you have already done that, but let's check and see how you did. If you have to, you can count the squares. Many of you know a lot of these already, right? Or I can get to 6 and I count up 3 more. 7, 8, 9. Just keep doing those, using these strategies until they click. And if you're not sure what the next one is, you get to the 24 and you're like, I can't remember that one. Go ahead and then just count up. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. What's worse is someone to guess there and then you have a wrong number, and then every time you are using that, you're going to miss those problems because you didn't count correctly from the beginning. So take your time, do your best. You've got this, all right? In the green box here in the middle, they're talking about division problems are written using a frame. The dividend in this, I need to rewind here. We've been looking at division problems written like this, where it has a division sign and they're written horizontally. So a lot of times you will see that when you're doing computation papers, and it's usually a basic fact number divided by a single digit. Whenever we're going to start dividing numbers in the spring, 2-digit numbers by a 1-digit number, and we must use the division frame. So you're going to start doing something called long division. You get to look forward to that in 4th and 5th grade, and you will use this frame. So we want to make sure that you become very familiar with it and that you can do problems written the same way. So here, the tradition, I won't say traditional, but a basic computation written 6 divided by 3 equals 2. This is the same problem. The dividend, which is the first number, the big number, the total is 6. And I want to divide it into groups of 3. So that's my divisor on the outside in the front of the frame or bracket. And the quotient or answer goes on top. So we'd say 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And this is all written over here too. So if you need to stop and look at it, or it seems clear now, and then when you're trying to do the back on your own and you get confused, that's what these boxes are for. You can go back to the front and look at it again, just so you can be confident in your answer. Let's do these together here. 12 divided by 3. Again, if it doesn't pop, we're going to count how many skips, how many jumps is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. 21 divided by 3. Again, here, if it doesn't pop, we count. How many groups of 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my quotient is 7. 18 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hopefully this one popped, right? 30 divided by 3 is 10. 27 divided by 3, again, we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 9. Let's look at these with the frames. 9 divided by 3 equals what? So we count 1, 2, 3. So our quotient goes here in the green box, 3. 3 divided by 3. Well, how many does it take? 1, right? If I have 3 and I circle groups of 3, I only have 1 group. Last one in this section, 6 divided by 3. How many threes does it take to get to 6? 1, 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Great job. Let's look here at the next section. Again, they want us to circle the sets, and we're writing related facts. In this box here, these are the numbers in our fact family. We can write 2 multiplication and 2 division facts using these 3 numbers. Okay, so they are making a fact family. That's what they're having us do here. We're taking the same 3 numbers. I'm making marks where I shouldn't, sorry. All right, and we're going to be dividing them differently. So we have to pay attention to the way the words go here, and then we'll write the corresponding fact here. Let's start in the first box. It says 15. So I know there is a total of 15 stars, and they want us to circle groups of 3. So I'm dividing by 3. So I'm going to circle groups of 3. How many circles do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 sets of 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, let's write a times fact. I know my total's what? Well, it told me here, right? And I know it's 15, so I can write that as my product. They want me to circle 5 sets of 3. So again, I'm circling groups of 3, and I should end up with 5. So my times fact is 5 times 3 equals 15. Here we're going to be doing it a little differently. We still have a total of 15. So I know 15 is my total, but I'm going to be circling groups of 5 here. So my circling is going to look different. I'm dividing by 5. How many sets of 5 are there? 3. Here, again, I'm circling 3 sets of 5, so the circles will look the same. 3 times 5 equals 15. Not too bad. It'll help you. Just like addition and subtraction. We're almost done. Here we go. We have a story problem at the bottom. Hal spent 15 hours exploring the caves. He explored for 3 hours each day. We want to know how many days did Hal spend exploring the caves. So again, here we can draw dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And each dot represents 1 hour. So I'm going to circle at 3, right? Because we have a total of 15. And we're dividing it by 3 because that's how many he did each day. So I'm circling groups of 3. And to find out the total number of days, I just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Hal spent 5 days exploring caves. Ooh, sorry, my page slipped there. All right, thanks. I hope this helped. Now I want you to turn your paper over, read the directions carefully, and do the back side. See you again soon. Bye.